Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is circle photo frame templates is it for Photoshop user with different design art styles. So first I drag this file to Photoshop, and here we can adjust 4 photo, one here, two, and third, fourth. So write your own text here, or you can write your memories quits. Okay, so first I create this photo frame, open a photo like this, and resolution going 1200, sorry, first drag there and click there and then drag, right click, create clipping mask, or second option, open this layers and drag your photo. I think here is better, and I close this file, open any other file like this, convert to 1000, click here and then drag there, right click, create clipping mask, and you see our photo in the shape or this frame. Third is here, and it is or this 800. Sorry, first select this and then drag there, right click, create clipping mask, and you see our photo in circle. Here is, and our last photo, open the with a cup of tea, $500. Select this and then drag there. Oh, sorry, 1000. Remove it, and you can apply Grandon's overlay. Are your photo color match here, like her dress color, you write your anything. $36. Subscribe us for more data. So you can write your own choice, or you can make a crop shadow, multiply or normal, opacity, distance, angle, anywhere, depend your own choice. You see, okay, here is my our first frame is ready. So I close this now, and same, all are same, just you import your images or write your anything. Here is 4 photo, 1 2 3, one landscape, and here is portrait, and here is portrait. Just I try last, open this, convert in 1000 resolution, drag there. Oh, we need 2000. Okay, drag there, right click, create clipping mask, and you see our photo is adjust. So you can try one by one, and I hope this data useful for you, and subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.